Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert a PDB document into a PDF or into any other format. To begin, open your browser and type Calibre and hit enter. Under Calibre-ebook management or calibreebook.com, click on download. As a next step, choose the version which is most suitable for your operating system, as there are versions for Linux, Mac operating system, and Windows. For me as a Windows user, I clicked on this one, I downloaded here, and I have already installed the software. The software is easy to install and straightforward, and it will take like 1 minute as a max from you. If you don't know how to install it, you can check the video in the description and it will show you how to install it. It's a straightforward process. As a next step, you want to open your Calibre operating system or the software, and you want to open your document. Click on your document and drag inside Calibre. Calibre will start reading the document and it should show in this way. As a next step, make sure that it's selected as appearing in blue and right click, convert books, convert individually. The output format, you want to choose the format which suits you the most. For me, I would choose PDF, but you can choose any other format as you wish. You can edit these details and change whatever needs to be changed and click OK. Here in the job section, click on it and you will see the progression of the conversion of your document. Sometimes it takes up to 10 to 20 to 30 seconds based on how big is the document. Once completed 100%, you can go ahead and click to close. Right click on your document, select Save to Disk, save to disk in a single folder, and select the folder, and then click Select. Here it has opened automatically, and here I can see that I have now a PDF document. And if you click on it, it should open for you the document in a PDF reader. You can select any other format and it will convert it to it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.